Hey, how you doing, everybody? Welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to replace the plastic fitting on a fuel pump on a Dodge Ram 1500. So here's the original factory clip that goes on the fuel pump. You have the nipple that sticks out on top of the fuel pump for the supply to the engine, and this would slide over top of it like this. And there's supposed to be a clip in here that locks that onto a tab ring on the top of the fuel pump, which you'll see later in the video. That little catches for this clip right here, those wore out. I don't know from somebody had taken this off previously and didn't have these fully released and they broke the little nipples off or what happened, but it no longer held on. So I had to cut this line off. You get a new end like this. You warm up your factory nylon. Once you cut this off, you warm that up with either hot water or I use a heat gun. You just get it a little bit warm so it's more pliable. You slide the new end in and you crimp it. And I'll show you that in the video. Don't forget to check that description down below for any parts and tools that I use in the video. Unfortunately, the camera got in the way. I couldn't get in there with the tool and do all the crimping and everything. So I'm going to demonstrate it outside of the vehicle. Let's pretend that this is your new line and this is your new fitting. And here's a piece, your crimp ring. Now, if you're in a pinch, in a bind, and you don't have one of these crimpers, you could use a pair of these side cutters, and you would put them on the flat spot there, and you would squeeze the crimp. But it's not really the best idea. You don't get a controlled crimp. You might go too tight, or you might accidentally cut them, and it doesn't press this down. It may squeeze it up, and this will bubble up in the middle, where the proper crimping tool has this flat plate here and then the two jaws on the side, so that you put it on here and you squeeze it. This plate here in the middle, this actually pushes up and keeps that flat while these jaws are squeezing in. So when you squeeze it, it crimps it and pushes this down at the same time, so you get a good, tight, proper crimp. There, I'll get you the part number. And you can pick these up on Amazon or most auto parts stores' websites. Look for this link in the description below for the tool. As always, thank you for watching Big Frog's 4x4. Hope you learned something in today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of every video that came out, don't forget to hit that bell. As always, God bless.